Have you ever tried a Mexican mollete? It's a simple, economical meal. We're gonna take some bread. I'm using a bolillo roll, slice it in half, and then spread butter on all of the sides of the bread. Put it in the toaster just until the butter melts because we are gonna toast these again. That right there looks perfect. So now for the beans, I'm gonna be using refried black beans, but you can do pinto beans or even my favorite Peruvian beans. Go ahead and spread a thin layer. Leftover beans is perfect for this. Now I'm adding some chorizo. You can either add it or just omit it for a meatless version like I'm doing on these two right here. I have some shredded Oaxaca cheese. You can also use mozzarella cheese, and go ahead and top the molletes and place them in the oven and broil them just until the cheese is melted and gets a little bit of golden. Top it with some pico de gallo or salsa mexicana or a more blended salsa. And I tell you guys, this is such an easy, comforting meal that's really good. Enjoy!